the bird.
Okay, so you lay eggs, they hatch, and then attach themselves to unwilling hosts? Fascinating. Okay, I mean, that has got to be human childbirth by a mile. Okay.
I tried to watch the baby, but he got out.
Okay, were you playing on your Game Boy again?
A little bit.
I don't feel so good.
Who are you?
I'm Jared, a pencil pusher for Wayland and Utani, you know, the people that did this mission. I say hi to you every morning.
I'm sorry, it's not ringing any bells.
I wasted my life.
No, don't you worry about it. He worked for an evil company and he was super boring.